welcome to the Year 10 Awards Assembly, which is an excellent opportunity to celebrate your successes and how well you have done this academic year. The first lot of awards are around our school values. So the winner for the Community Minded Award are Sarah and Bethany. The winner for Stickability is Camille and Tyler. And for High Aspirations is Leah and Lily. The winner of the Mental Security Awards are Faith and Matthew. And the last award for our school values is for communication, and that goes to Liam and Mason.
So for English, the winners are Ellie and Paige. For Maths, the winners are Ben and Leah. For Science, the winners are Grace and Anusha. For MFL, the winners are Zach and Alex. For Sports, the winners are Paige and Lily. For Geography, we have Grace and we have Ellie, and also Matthew. For History, we have Amy and James. For Art, we have James and we have Matthew again. For Performing Arts, we have Jessica and we have Chloe. For Catering, we have Declan and we have Ellie. For Business, we have Sai and Alex. For Imedia, we have Amy and O'Shea. For Sociology, we have Holly and Matthew. And for Health and Social Care, we have Sapphire and Missy.
So I wish you the best of luck, and we look forward to seeing you in September.